You can understand English, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. It's not because your English is bad, it's because you don't think in English. Right now, your brain works like this. First, you think in your native language, then you translate. Then you panic, and finally, you stay silent. So let's fix that step one. Stop translating in your head. Translation kills confidence. English is not math. You don't need to calculate every sentence. Train your brain to accept English as a normal language, not a foreign one. Step 2. Think simple, not perfect. Most people stay silent because they want perfect English. Forget perfection. Simple beats perfect. Don't say, I am extremely exhausted today. Just say, I'm tired. Short sentences help your brain think faster. Step 3. Surround yourself with English. What you consume becomes your thinking. Watch YouTube in English. Movies in English. Short videos in English. When you hear a sentence, pause, repeat it, even whisper it. This trains your mouth and your brain together. Step 4. Talk to yourself. Yes, yourself. Describe what you see every day, like that shop is crowded, this street is noisy, that garden is beautiful. He told me this, so I told him that. No pressure, no audience, just practice. Step 5. Think in time. Past, present, future. Like, I woke up late today, now I'm working. I'll sleep early tonight. This builds natural sentence flow. Thinking in English is not hard, you just need daily practice. Every day. Be consistent, English won't feel like a language anymore. It will feel like your own voice.